You okay? Me and my invisible Cheerios, we good. Driving. You sound like a You sound like a freaking Scooby from Toy Story 2 right now.
I had to clip that. I had to clip. I'm about to die.
What the?
Oh, I'm in a tube.
What? Oh.
Trixie,
What?
you want some chips?
Yeah. What is
How was
her
that?
problem?
I don't know. This bitch.
All I said was, I want some chip, and now this bitch dying.
She's weak.
It's funny because
Surprise, bitch!
What?
Fuck.
Oh, you're dead.
I fell back down. I'm just gonna kill myself. I'm over it.
Ah! Ah! Help! Mimo!
I'm dead.
Please!
Oh, oh, oh.
How the fuck you just fling like that?
Mimo, help me!
I'm dead. Oh.
What did you do?
I just yeeted the fuck out of you.
Flowers.
What in the floppy fish? What's this guy? He does not hear me.
Shoot him. Look what you did.
I'ma say a word.
What even shorty? What are you gonna do with a shorty?
But I won't stop until that boy is mine.
Spike
He's
planted.
gonna try to stand.
Ah! And that's what I was gonna do with the short.
Stay tiny. Tiny babies. What the hell?
She said, y'all hear something? Let me go be.
With the flick?
Wait.
Wait, I kill him.
I can't.
Pasta? You could have killed him.
I'm just gonna leave PC completely.